Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your data. Back up your SMS/MMS to a local file or cloud so nothing is lost. Next, install your replacement app and grant it SMS permissions so messages arrive without interruption. Once the replacement is ready, open Google Messages, go to Chat Features, and turn them off. This removes RCS handshakes. Then change the system default SMS app to your new app. You're now ready to remove Google's messaging layer. Now you remove Google Messages. Open Settings, Applications, find Google Messages, clear cache and data to remove stored RCS and account tokens. Force stop it, then disable or uninstall updates. If the system won't uninstall, disabling prevents it from running. Make sure your new app is set as default. After that, revoke SMS, contacts and storage permissions for Google Apps, and turn off sync for messaging-related Google accounts. Finish by testing. Send SMS, group messages, and MMS to confirm your new app handles everything. Verify there's no Google branding in notifications or thread headers. Once done, make sure carrier settings and APN are correct. If you see problems with MMS delivery or group messages, temporarily enable RCS or re-enable Google Messages just long enough to reset carrier handshakes, then turn it off again. If issues persist, check permissions and carrier APN settings and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.